Our workcation is almost coming to a close as we head to Greece on Saturday.
But we did get out a little bit. We
Yeah.
finished up the historic walking tour, part B, and right now we're out filming the must-see neighborhoods of Marseille.
We have opened up the first lesson to Easy Travel Speak. You can get it for free, and pre-launch pricing is available now and through August 4th. So if another language is on your to-do list, this is the way to go, trust me. I'll include a link in the text. But for now, take a look at our last week in Marseille.
Marseille.
Marseille. Très bien français. Je sais pas si ça a été enregistré, mais vous sortez tout.
La proposition qu'est-ce que je sais. Est-ce que tu as des vanille?
Oui, vanille.
Vanille.
Voilà.
Merci. Notre Dame Lagarde was built in 1214. The Abbey of St. Victor was named after a soldier, saint, and martyr, Victor, built in the year 415.
Below the abbey are crypts, and they're really well preserved. Fort St. Nicholas was built between 1660 and 1664.
Because I can speak at least a little bit of French, we made friends, and we are now
Going in. The Palais du Pharaoh was built in 1858 by Napoleon III to be his summer palace. Les Paniers. Back in the day, this neighborhood would be considered the wrong side of the tracks. It dates back to 600 BC.
Now, however, it's full of trendy cafes and galleries showcasing local artists and full of these beautiful houses. Our next stop is Cours Julien. Cours Julien has the best of the street art here in Marseille. This area really starts to take off at night when the bars and restaurants open and it's lit up, and it's really a fun place to be.
Viewport, or the Old Port, is the natural harbor of Marseille, dating back to 600 BCE when the Greeks settled here.
Deux cornets, s'il vous plaît, une caramel, oui, et l'autre est chocolat.
Back to work we go. We decided to scooter it though.
So we'll see how that goes. The only problem is we don't know how to get home, and I'm not sure I can hold the phone and scooter at the same time.
Wish us luck.
Well, we made it.
Alive!